Painaga. Pass to number 34 na wala. Nahuli yung harap. Enosin na ramay sana ball. Last 30 seconds. Still by Santos again. Last 25 seconds. Painaga. Atake si number 10 na wala. Is that a revealing violation? Last 15.9 seconds. Last 10 seconds by number 23. Last 5 seconds, Batan sa 3. No good. Foul, counted. Foul by number 32. Number 32, first personal foul. Third, team foul. Pwede sa palmate siya ng bola. Second shot na by Painaga. Ito si Painaga atake. Out of bounds. Same ball. 12 second shot clock.
Dito ka yun. Para makita. Ayan, dito mo. Ayan.
Number 11. Number 11 na wala. Nakakumani. Isipin number 44. Ito na si Batan. Batan, no good. Pero may foul. No good. Nakakumani Mendes Abal. Career ni may tsarang bola. Bibigay kay Painaga. Painaga sa ilalim. 2 points by number 10. Official score natin 8-12 in favor of Team Boyet. Number 23, 15 second shot clock by number 44. Foul. Rebound by number. Nako ni number 11, no good again. Pero may foul. Foul by number 28, second personal foul, third team foul. Pupira ng press, no good. Mendes Abal may saka ng bola. Mendes Abal, no good. Remember number Naoni, Mendes Abal, pass to number 15. Number 15. Out of bounds. Francisco may taka ng bola. Francisco pass to Mendes Abal, back shot na naman. No good. Rebound by number Naoni Santos. Santos on fire. 3 points. Six-point lead by Team Boyet. Belcampo naman sa kabila. 15 second shot clock by Belcampo. Bibigay kay Batan. 10 second shot clock. Pinag-repeat naman Nako ni Mamorno. Mamorno may tsaka ng bola. Ito na si Francisco. Pass to Mendes Abal. 15 second shot clock by number 26. 10 second shot clock by Painaga. Pass to Santos. 5 second shot clock by Santos. Wala. Nako ni Investano. Libre. 2 points by number 33. Six minutes and 40 seconds by Francisco. 15 to shoot by Santos. Pass to Francisco again. Mendes Abal back shot. No good naman. Rebound by number. Inventano nagmamadali. Titira naman ang glass. 2 points by number good. Rebound number. 6 minutes remaining time by Invenzado. Attacking mode na naman. No good. Rebound number 24. Back to Invenzado. Time out, Team Ernie. 5 minutes and 51. Pass to Batan. Batan na atake na wala. Nawali. Drop ball. Bola ng Team Ernie. Francisco back to Macro. Macro against the press. Air ball. Rebound by Mamorno. 15 seconds shot clock number 24. No good. Rebound by number 3. Basal pass to Paggaling. Nawala ang bola. Nawali. Number 44. 2 points. Francisco, 15 to shoot by number 2. 10 second shot clock by Painaga. Painaga side step, 2 points by number 10. Two minutes and 30 seconds. Nawala bola, nawali. Foul by number 3. Number 3, second personal foul. First, team foul. Basan, bibigay sa ilalim 10 second shot clock. Is that a roughing violation? Francisco, Macro. Nawala, nawani. Macro pa rin, 15 second shot clock by Santos. Paso Painaga. Painaga de derecho. 2 points by number 10. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Invenzado, 10 second shot clock by Batan. Back to Invenzado sa press. 3 points. Francisco naman sa kabila, 1 minute and 20 seconds by number 2. 15 second shot clock by Francisco. Magandang papasahan na akin si Mamorno. Mamorno, didiskarte. Paso Santos sa press. No good. One minute, 3 minute time. Del Campo. No good. Rebound by Del Campo. Foul. Foul by Francisco, number 02. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution na rin. First shot by number 44. Pass up first throw. Second shot ready. Droppers. Out of 2. Last 30 seconds. Last 25 seconds by Invenzado. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 33. Pass to Del Campo Santos. No good. Rebound by number. Nawali Paggaling. Foul. Foul by number 10. Number 10, second personal foul. Third team foul. Last 14 seconds. First shot by number 15. No hook. Second shot ready. Jumpers. Pass on second throw. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds by Painaga. Painaga side step, no good. 15-second shot clock by Inventado. 10-second shot clock by number 33. Number 33 nawala. Now number 33 pa rin. 5-second shot clock. Foul. Substitution rep. Foul by number 26.
Wala na po.
Foul by number 26. Number 26 first personal foul. Third team foul. First shot by Nara. Boston up first throw. Second shot ready. Jumpers. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. For Hoods. Rebound by number 48. Number again. Pahin na gamit sa ng bola. Screen second by number 7 na wala na. Unang kalaban. Ito na si Batan. Batan pass to number 16. No Hood. Rebound by number nauna Del Campo. 15-second shot clock by Del Campo. 10-second shot clock by number 16 again. 2 points. Pwede Sabal babawin ng cross. 2 points by number 26. Shot clock by Inventado. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 10-second shot clock. Nawala na ako ni Macbo. 5-second shot clock. 2 points. Pwede Sabal again. Is a traveling violation. Inventado. 15-second shot clock by Inventado. 10-second shot clock by Del Campo. Del Campo bibigay sa ilalim kay number 16. No good dribble ni number Mamorno. Nawala. Nice in Nara again. Nara atake. Pass to number 48. 2 points by number 48. Nara again, 2 points by number 16. One minute and 5 seconds. Out of bounds. Last 10 seconds.
Ano masasabi nyo? Nanalo kayo?
Yun, siyempre, din namin akalain na manalo kami. Manalo matalo, basta sports. Laro lang tayo hanggat kaya, and then good luck sa lahat ng teams. So, thank you.
Okay, ang makakalaban nyo next ay Team Benito. Anong masasabi mo? Anong magiging preparation nyo?
So, ganun pa rin. Pagpatuloy pa rin yung mga diskarte, teamwork sa loob. And then, yun nga, yung sabi nga, walang magaling, kundi lahat. Kailangan sama-sama sa isang team.
Okay, shoutout. Baka may mga gusto kang batiin.
Shoutout sa anak ko, anak. Okay na. Ginante na kita sa basketball. Thank you.
Salamat, Mate.
Thank you.